10 useful idioms you can use every day. Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to the AvidEdX channel. Today, we're going to talk about 10 idioms that you can use in your daily conversations to sound more natural and fluent in English. Idioms are phrases that don't always make sense literally, but they're super common in everyday speech. Ready to learn? Let's dive in. Idiom 1. A piece of cake. First up, we have a piece of cake. It means something is very easy to do. For example, it means the test was very easy. Idiom 2. Break the ice. Next is break the ice. This idiom means to start a conversation or activity that helps people feel more comfortable. For example, this means he told a joke to get everyone talking and feeling more relaxed. Idiom 3. Hit the nail on the head. When someone hits the nail on the head, it means they said or did something exactly right. For example, this means Sarah's explanation was exactly right. Idiom 4. Under the weather. Feeling under the weather means you're not feeling well, especially when you have a cold or are sick. For example, this means I'm not feeling well and need to rest. Idiom 5. Spill the beans. Spill the beans means to accidentally reveal a secret. For example, this means she accidentally told the secret about the surprise. Idiom 6. Hit the sack. Hit the sack is a casual way to say you're going to bed. For example, it means I'm going to sleep. Idiom 7. Let the cat out of the bag. When you let the cat out of the bag, you reveal a secret or surprise before you're supposed to. Host, on screen. Example, for example, this means I accidentally revealed the plans before it was time. Idiom 8. Cost an arm and a leg. If something costs an arm and a leg, it means it's very expensive. For example, this means the phone is really expensive. Idiom 9. Break a leg. Host, on screen. Text on screen. Break a leg is a way of wishing someone good luck, especially before a performance. For example, this means, good luck at your audition. Idiom 10. Bite the bullet. Finally, bite the bullet means to do something you don't want to do but know you have to. For example, this means I had to face something unpleasant. Let us revise. A piece of cake, something very easy to do to break the ice, to start the conversation, to hit the nail on the head, to do or say something exactly right. Under the weather, feeling unwell or sick. Spill the beans. To accidentally reveal the secret. Hit the sack, to go to bed or sleep. Let the cat out of the bag, to reveal the secret. Cost an arm and leg, something that is very expensive. Break a leg, to wish someone success. Bite the bullet, to do something very unpleasant or difficult. Alright, those were 10 idioms you can use in your daily conversations. Try using them when you're speaking with friends or at work, and you'll sound more fluent in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun English lessons. In the comments, let us know which idiom you'll use first. See you next time, and happy learning.